All right, let's play Allegro. So your right hand's going to start with your 1 on E. Every finger gets a key. Your left hand begins with your 1 on C. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, right hand. All right, let's play Allegro. Right hand starts with your 1 on E. Every finger gets a key. Left hand begins with your 1 on middle C. Every finger gets a key. 1, 2, ready, let's play.